Hey everybody, if you can't tell from the weather, I'm in the Netherlands for Dutch Design Week. I'm walking around looking for the craziest shit. They got a lot of crazy shit here, and I'm gonna see what's good. I'm with my friend Lawrence, he's holding the camera, and I don't know what's gonna happen. Let's see. Dutch Design Week. Dutch Design Week is basically a design exhibition spread out through the city of Eindhoven in the southern Netherlands. It's kind of cool, interesting, experimental design stuff, some production stuff, and it's kind of a big mix of everything. Really big range of products. I've seen tables, furniture, lamps, sex toys. Dutch design is a bit louder, a bit less subtle. You never know what you're gonna get. So the trend is crazy shit. As far as forms go, it's hard to come up with a really set trend for the forms, but you do see a lot of organic forms, a lot of stuff without a lot of structure. So really interesting wild stuff, like maybe you wouldn't see this kind of thing every day, but definitely new, experimental, super Dutch. Another big trend I'm seeing here at Dutch Design Week is textiles, materials, and 3D printed materials. The Dutch Design Week is really far ahead in trying out different materials, experimenting with different materials. So you see a lot of cool colors, a lot of cool textures, and really wild stuff that you don't see anywhere else. We see a lot of materials made from waste materials at Dutch Design Week. So materials made from waste food, waste plastic products, waste organic products. They're made into new materials, and it gets really experimental, really wild, really cool. You never really know what you're gonna see. Cheers. One aesthetic you're seeing a lot is the 3D printed aesthetic. What I mean by that is some form, like a phase, a product or something, that's got this line structure in it. And why that is because a lot of these designers and craftsmen are using 3D printing. And one artifact of that was this layer line structure. Dutch Design Week seemed really good at experimenting with 3D printing, so it's really interesting to see what comes out of that. One thing I do see is this color green, this really bright, loud, almost like RGB, like really pure green. Basically really bright colors in general seem to be the thing at Dutch Design Week. So I'm back at the station. Dutch Design Week is pretty hard to describe. It's a lot of really early stage experimental kind of work, really cool, wild thinking, and it's really a lot of inspiration. One thing you don't see is a very production focused mindset. So I think they're not so focused on having an idea that goes to market, but it's really just like an idea for inspiration, really get other designers thinking. I think maybe I'll come back next year, see what happens then. And yeah, it's a really great time.